introduced to you by a friend. You were cute and all that, baby, you set the trend. Yes, you did. The next thing I know, we're down at the cinema. We're sitting there, you said you loved me. What's that about? You're a little bit too fast, I don't understand you. I'm not ready yet, baby, I can't pretend. No, I can't. The best I can do is tell you to talk to me. It's possible, eventual, love will find a way. Love will find a way. Don't say you love me, you don't even know me. If you really want me, then give me some time. Don't go there, baby, not before I'm ready. Don't say your heart's in a hurry, it's not like we're gonna get married. Give me some time. Here's how I play, here's where you stand. Here's what to prove to get any further than